Best guns comparison. Grease guns are essential tools for automotive, marine, and industrial applications, enabling precise lubrication for bearings, joints, and other mechanical components. Whether you're maintaining heavy machinery or ensuring smooth operation of your vehicle. List 9. The UTool Grease Gun stands out as a highly capable mid-range option with an impressive 8,000 psi maximum pressure and a robust iron die-cast head. Its ergonomic pistol grip design, paired with a rubber sleeve, ensures safe and comfortable one-handed operation. The bright yellow paint makes it easy to locate in busy workspaces, while the inclusion of multiple hoses and couplers provides versatility for various lubrication tasks. The redesigned air bleed valve simplifies air pocket removal, enhancing user convenience. In testing, the UTool performed exceptionally well in high-pressure applications, delivering consistent grease flow without leaks. The 18-inch resin flex hose proved useful for reaching tight spaces, while the rigid pipes added precision for direct grease application. However, its weight, 3.65 pounds, may be cumbersome for prolonged use, and the accessories lack premium durability compared to higher-priced models. Overall, this grease gun is a solid choice for DIY enthusiasts and light-duty professionals. List 2. The Lock N Lube Heavy-Duty Pistol Grip Grease Gun is a premium product designed for professionals who demand reliability and efficiency. Its patented Lock N Lube grease coupler ensures a leak-free connection, while the 20-inch heavy-duty hose and inline swivel provide excellent reach and flexibility. Rated for up to 5,000 psi. This grease gun is optimized for commercial and residential use. The ergonomic handle and rubber grip enhance comfort during extended tasks, and the loop and lock storage feature keeps the workspace clean. During testing, the Lock N Lube excelled in delivering precise grease application under high pressure, making it ideal for heavy machinery and industrial use. The coupler's locking mechanism was particularly impressive, eliminating the frustration of accidental disconnections. While its price point, $69.99, may deter budget-conscious buyers, the exceptional build quality and performance justify the investment for professionals. This product is best suited for users who prioritize reliability and long-term durability. List number 8. The Cretaw Mini Grease Gun is the most affordable option in this comparison, priced at just $17.99. It features a compact design with a maximum working pressure of 3,000 psi, making it suitable for light-duty applications. The kit includes a 12-inch flex hose, reinforced coupler, and 2 3-ounce grease cartridges, offering excellent value for small-scale lubrication tasks. The anti-slip ergonomic handle ensures controlled operation, while the included gloves provide added convenience. While the Cretaw Mini Grease Gun is easy to use and portable, it struggles with high-pressure applications and lacks the durability of more expensive models. Its compact size makes it ideal for quick fixes and tight spaces, but professional users may find its performance limiting. This grease gun is best suited for casual users or those who need a secondary tool for occasional use. List number. The Cretaw Professional Pistol Grip Grease Gun offers a solid balance of price and performance, with a maximum working pressure of 7,000 psi. It includes an extensive accessory kit featuring multiple hoses, couplers, and grease injector needles, making it versatile for various lubrication tasks. The air bleed valve ensures smooth operation by expelling trapped air, while the die-cast aluminum construction provides durability. In testing, the Cretaw Professional performed well in medium to heavy-duty applications, delivering consistent grease flow and precise lubrication. The ergonomic design and smooth operation make it user-friendly, though the accessory quality could be improved for long-term use. At $26.99, this grease gun is a great option for users who need versatility without breaking the bank. List number. The Get Elmuel Grease Gun Kit combines high-quality construction with a comprehensive set of accessories, making it a strong contender in the mid-range category. With a maximum working pressure of 7,000 psi and a 14-ounce capacity, it is designed for efficient lubrication across automotive, marine, and industrial applications. The kit includes an 18-inch flex hose, multiple couplers, and a storage bag, ensuring convenience and versatility. During testing, the Get L Mule impressed with its smooth grease application and leak-proof design. The ergonomic pistol grip and knurled barrel provided excellent control, while the bright yellow paint enhanced visibility. However, the included accessories, while extensive, could benefit from improved durability. Overall, this grease gun is ideal for users seeking a high-performing tool with a wide range of applications.